Hello, welcome back to the 12 Drinks of Christmas. Today is for calling birds, so we're making a last call drink. This one is not hard to make. What do you need?
Okay, last call. There's only one thing you need, and that's our friend tequila. Simple, to the point, gets the job done. So, we're using Salsa Hornitos. Salt and lime is always optional, but some people like it. Bam, dinner is served. How about that? Last call, 4 calling birds. Willow, pleasure being your neighbor.
Thank you, pleasure being yours.
Humans over houses. Well done, sister.
Thank you.